Flooding hit Brisbane, southeast Queensland and other parts of the state. Heavy rain poured significant amounts of water into the city and threatened more than 10,000 houses. In some parts of Brisbane, flooding and damage has already been more severe than the 2011 floods. A 6-lane main road was cut by flooding at the bridge over Enoggera Creek. Boats and debris caused havoc in the Brisbane River and major city roads were cut. Much of the unanticipated flooding has happened in Brisbane River tributary catchments. There were 2,000 people across the southeast in evacuation centers and 700 of those in Gympie. Schools in 40 local government areas will be closed due to unfolding emergency. Heavy rain is expected to continue until at least the next day.
Which, there's no water up here. We're still another couple of metres up, but yeah, this is really scary.